will now be able to have your favorite summer cocktail in the form of a popsicle. The makers of Fruita Pop say they have made Poptails, small batch cocktails that are frozen into ice pops. Each contains about 5% alcohol because, as Henry knows, if you go higher than that, they don't actually freeze. The pops are available in 13 different flavors, from watermelon margarita to rum and cherry coke. They also say sangria, that's available, mimosa, prosciutto.
No. Prosecco.
That too.
Prosecco. Prosciutto. Prosciutto.
Yeah, it's like a little Italian meat.
No, that's prosciutto.
That's a little Italian meat.
Or-
Comes all a little way.
or is it prosciutto?
Prosecco.
Yeah, they're gonna make that too.
You don't drink Prosecco.
I don't. Anyway, that's the kind they're gonna make. They're going to set you back about $48 to $60. Those 21 and over can buy them online at fruitapop.com.
Sorry.
You snorted.
No, I know. That was like...
You know you love it. We love it.
No, it's my favorite drink.
Yeah.
I love it.
Prosciutto. Anyway.
Prosciutto.
Prosciutto,
It was like a cross between bruschetta and prosciutto.
I don't know. What do I
is
know?
what you invented. It's all good. All right. Let's Henry. Oh my. It's your turn.
He hits Boone's Farm, no problem.
Right,
Gets that every single time, But well done.